If you're a working professional, you may well know the importance of proper file management, being on time, submitting papers on the deadline, and all that stuff. You might well possibly be carrying with you a laptop or some notepads which you can use to jot down your thoughts at any time. Well, in this day and age, laptops are indispensable and very crucial in the way we work and get jobs done. It can decide if your daily pursuits will be a success or a fail. So think about this. What if you can have an option to leave your laptop behind but carry all the documents that you need with you? Last time we showed you how you can set up a Samsung DEX workstation with the most minimal cost. Today we deal with the question, what's the point of DEX? How will you use it? Well, Samsung DEX lives in your smartphone as a background app or as a service. This Galaxy S8 is the minimum smartphone model that you can use for this scenario. You're going to the office. You need to check some details in your Word document on your way to the office as you do every morning commute. Do you take your laptop with you? Nope, it's too cumbersome in a train and even more so in a bus. It's too wide and big for the job. Is it efficient? Oh yes. Is it convenient to use? Nope. Do you take your tablet with you then? Nope. To be honest, your iPad or Android tablet has the same performance as your smartphone. Only with a larger display, of course. It's also only a tad lighter than your laptop. So is it portable? Yes. Is it convenient? Yes. But do I recommend it? Not really. Or do you take your smartphone? Well, okay, spoiler alert, the answer is yes. That's the whole point of this video. It is compact, powerful, portable, and discreet. It will not freak out people in the bus or train. You can easily use this on the go. Well, it's a mobile device after all. So where do we go from here? You don't have your bigger computer with you, which is your laptop. You don't have your tablet with you either. How do you continue working with your documents using your Galaxy S8? Well, my friend, the answer is DEX. DEX transforms your smartphone into a full-fledged PC. And yes, you can just set up a DEX dock in your office and you're good to go. In Samsung DEX, you can download Google apps that lets you work on your document in full screen, or if you're in the Microsoft ecosystem, you can download the apps in the Google Play Store. You can even download free apps for Office applications like WPS. These are third-party ones that you can download in a pinch if you are not in either the Google or Microsoft ecosystem. But that's weird, you should have a document account for either Google or Microsoft. Will this work for everyone? Nope. But can you make this work for yourself? Definitely yes. If you're already a Galaxy smartphone owner like myself, I like my Galaxy smartphone, or do you have an office space for a docking station for DEX? Yeah. If you're always on the go and tired of lugging around your heavy laptop, then managing documents on Samsung DEX may be the right fit for you. Guys, subscribe because on the next episode we will show you how we use DEX as an HTPC or home theater PC for watching Netflix and YouTube at home or at the office if you want. So till next time, guys. Cheers.